Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of CUET General Knowledge. Let's begin with the questions. Question 1. The Panama Canal connects which two oceans? A. Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. B. Atlantic and Indian Oceans. C. Indian and Pacific Oceans. And D. Mediterranean and Red Seas. The answer is option A. Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. The Panama Canal is a man-made waterway that connects the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean, reducing the need for long maritime detours. Question 2. Who wrote the epic poem Paradise Lost? The options are A. John Milton, B. William Shakespeare, C. Geoffrey Chaucer, and D. Edmund Spenser. The answer is option A. John Milton. John Milton wrote Paradise Lost, an epic poem published in 1667 that explores the biblical story of the fall of man. Question 3. The CERN laboratory, known for the Large Hadron Collider, is located in which country? A. Switzerland, B. France, C. Germany, and D. United States. The correct answer is option A. Switzerland. CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, is located in Geneva, Switzerland. Moving on to the fourth question. Who developed the theory of psychosocial developments? A. Sigmund Freud, B. Carl Jung, C. Erik Erikson, and D. John Watson. The correct answer is option C. Erik Erikson. Erik Erikson developed the theory of psychosocial development, which outlines 8 stages of human development. Question 5. The Panama Papers leak revealed financial information about A. Political corruption, B. Offshore financial accounts, C. International arms trade, and D. Illegal drug trade. The correct answer is option B. Offshore financial accounts. The Panama Papers leak in 2016 exposed how high-profile individuals and leaders used offshore accounts to evade taxes. Question 6. The theory of plate tectonics was developed by A. Albert Einstein, B. Alfred Wegener, C. Harry Hess, and D. Carl Sagan. The correct answer is option C. Harry Hess. Harry Hess proposed the theory of plate tectonics, which explains the movement of Earth's lithospheric plates. Moving on to question 7. The Maginot Line was a line of fortifications built by which country? The options are A. United Kingdom, B. France, C. Germany, and D. Italy. The correct answer is option B. France. The Maginot Line was a defensive line built by France along its border with Germany in the 1930s. Question 8. The first non-stop transatlantic flight was made by A. Charles Lindbergh, B. Amelia Earhart, C. Howard Hughes, and D. John Glenn. The correct answer is option A. Charles Lindbergh. Lindbergh made the first non-stop transatlantic flight in 1927 from New York to Paris. Moving on to the 9th question. The Gutenberg Bible was the first major book printed using A. Movable type printing press, B. Woodlock printing, C. Lithography, and D. Stamping press. The correct answer is option A. Movable type printing press. The Gutenberg Bible, printed in the 15th century, was the first major book produced using movable type printing. Question number 10. The Golden Gate Bridge is located in which US city? Your options are A. New York City, B. Chicago, C. Los Angeles, and D. San Francisco. The correct answer is option D. San Francisco. The Golden Gate Bridge is an iconic suspension bridge located in San Francisco, California. And today's practice question is, the Berlin Wall fell in which year? A. 1985, B. 1987, C. 1989, and D. 1991. Send us the answers in the comment section. Thanks for watching.